Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast for the Turks and Caicos Islands, issued on Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. For the general situation, we have a high-pressure ridge continuing to support dry, stable weather and breezy conditions across the islands. Special warnings: there remains a moderate to high risk of rip currents for waters in the Turks and Caicos Islands, as well as all Atlantic shorelines across the country. Beachgoers in these areas are urged to exercise caution when entering the waters. Now for today's weather. We're looking at mostly sunny skies today, mostly fair tonight. A small craft advisory is in effect. Small craft should remain in port. Winds will be northeast to east at 15 to 25 knots. Seas in the Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet. Near shore 4 to 6 feet, and offshore 6 to 8 feet in northeasterly to easterly swells. Daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 82 degrees Fahrenheit with an overnight low temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 5:40 p.m. and the next low tide will be at 1:47 p.m. and the next high tide at 7:54 p.m. Now for the extended forecast for the next 2 days. The ridging pattern will maintain stable and dry conditions across the region, with little change expected in the weather. Rainfall will remain minimal, and seasonably warm temperatures will persist through next week. Thursday, a low 10% chance of isolated showers in the afternoon, a mix of sun and clouds with a high near 84. Thursday night, isolated showers possible in the evening, mostly fair with a low around 74. A small craft advisory will remain in effect. Small craft should remain in port. Winds will be easterly at 15 to 25 knots, and seas in the Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet, near shore 3 to 5 feet, and offshore 5 to 7 feet. On Friday, we have a low 10% chance of isolated showers in the morning, mostly sunny with a high near 82. Friday night, fair with a low around 74. A small craft advisory will remain in effect, and small craft should remain in port. Winds will be easterly at 15 to 20 knots. Seas in the Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet, near shore 3 to 5 feet, and offshore 5 to 8 feet. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 5th of February 2025 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.